In today's video, I will be reviewing a thin leave out wig from ILIKEHAIR. This wig comes with a wig cap and a thin tooth comb and a little pack that includes 2 hair clips and an edge brush. This is an 18-inch kinky straight wig. I will put all details about this wig down in the description, but it is a wig that you can wear with a little bit of leave out or with no leave out. In this video I will be showing it with a little bit of leave out because I did attempt to try it without any leave out, but I will go into details on how that went a bit later on in the video, so do make sure you watch until the end. So this wig also comes with clips on the inside. There are about 7 at the front and 2 at the back with an adjustment band. And you can see that I have my hair in flat twists, so I find flat twists just to be easier for me. I do go to the gym quite a lot, and so I do like to have access to my scalp. I also do have quite thin hair and my hair is low density. As you can see, my partings are quite wide. I have left a leave out for this wig and I will be using some of the clips, but not all of them, just because I do find that clips put a lot of strain on my hair and can occasionally pull it out. I did want to pick up a wig that mimicked my hair straightened. I thought I would try this one out. I do measure the leave out portion of the wig just to make sure that I have enough leave out to cover it effectively. I plait my hair down. I don't use any pins or anything. I kind of just tuck it in. I do have 2 chunky flat twists at the back. And the clips that run across the front do pop closed, so you kind of slide them in and then push them down and they close. I have chosen not to put any anchor braids in for this wig just because my hair is quite fine and sensitive. I have always found that anchor braids just pull out my hair, especially at the top. I do also have hereditary hair thinning, so my hair, especially at the top, is quite thin and responds really easily to tension. So I've chosen just to slide the wig into my flat twists, and you can see that the hair looks pretty natural straight out the bag. I am popping all the clips closed, and before I go on to the other details of the hair, I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of what the edges of the wig looks like if you were to attempt to wear this wig without any leave out. So they do recommend that you tease your hair to kind of make it look a bit more natural so that you can attempt to wear this wig without any leave out. I don't think that this would work essentially with this wig, especially with my texture of hair. I think that you could attempt to do this if your hair is more dense, or if you were looking to try one of their curlier wigs. So I think if you were looking for a wig that required no leave out, then definitely picking up a curly style would be better if you have a similar type of texture to mine. And you can see that I've left out like a medium amount of hair, I would say, just because my hair's thin and I do need some hair out to cover the sides of the wig. I have also left a thin portion of my hair out at the front, and that is because I am also experiencing postpartum shedding, so my edges are really struggling at the moment and I didn't want to put any pressure or friction on the front of my hair either. So I've just made it so that the wig sits slightly back from my hairline. So you can see as I part my hair that my partings are quite wide because my hair is not very dense. So I do use hair fibers. I will show you guys what brand that I use. But here I'm just going through and getting my hair prepared for straightening. I haven't blow dried my hair. I try to restrict the amount of heat that I put on my hair just in general anyway. So this is my hair just out of a twist, and I use some Tresemme heat protection spray. Then I go through it with a Nikki Clark hair straightener, and I try not to go over my hair too many times just because I want to avoid heat damage. So I try to keep it to twice as much as I can. and I think that the blend is actually pretty good. I do also have high porosity hair, so my hair holds onto water and reverts really easily, but on the first go round I definitely feel as though it does fit the texture of the hair quite well. This video is also not sponsored, but I would like to thank ILIKEHAIR for sending over this wig for me to try and share it with you guys. I do have a coupon code which gets you 25% off a wig from their site. I did want to pick up a wig that looks more natural, so I definitely think that this wig is giving me more of like an everyday easy look, which is what I was going for. I probably could go over my hair a few more times to make the blend a bit better, but I really wanted to avoid the amount of heat that I put on it, so I'm happy with the way it looks. And then I was trying to juggle the babies too, so had a little break to do that. So this is the hair fibers that I use. I will put a link in the description. I just picked one up from Amazon, so I go through the top of my hair just to kind of mask any visible lines from the wig, and then I went through and I added a little bump to the end of the wig. I actually think that maybe next time I would leave it straight, but I think it looks okay with a little bump, and it does hold the curl quite well. Actually, I think it looks pretty cute. Then I go over my edges with the edge brush and some Eco Styler gel. I don't like lots of edges, so I just kind of went through and made it look a bit neat, but nothing too spectacular. And then I put a silk scarf on just because I'm going back into the bathroom to finish off my makeup and it's a bit warm in there, so I don't want my hair to revert. So this is the final look, guys, and I think it is a very good, very affordable option. Definitely think that this is a good beginner's wig. It's very affordable, definitely cheaper than picking up 5 packs and making your own wig. I think the ends of this wig could be slightly fuller, but for the price I definitely think it is a good option for an everyday wig. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to check out the coupon code in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.